Hi, I'm Andrea, and today I'm excited to show you why our new EDLA BenQ boards are more than just interactive displays with the Google Play Store on them. A question we often get asked by teachers is, why should I switch to a digital whiteboard when the chalkboard and textbook work just fine? Well, in this video, you'll see how our next generation boards will transform your classroom and empower you to teach your way with our education-focused whiteboarding and screen sharing software, our AI-powered teaching tools, and an ecosystem that's designed to make teaching easier. Let's start with some of the hardware features that make the BenQ board stand out. Our most powerful board features a chipset that is 1.8 times faster than its competitors, so it can easily handle the most demanding tasks, such as running multiple apps at the same time. Next, we have an ultra-responsive touchscreen with 1mm accuracy and support for up to 50 touch points. Paired with a 4K UHD panel with a germ-resistant coating, the board is also iSafe certified 2.0 for low blue light emissions while retaining color accuracy and classroom-ready 9H ultra-resistant protective glass. In addition to its impressive touchscreen, the BenQ board also has a powerful sound system. The Pro Series has two 20-watt speakers coupled with a 16-watt subwoofer, providing immersive audio that fills the classroom. The boards also have an 8-piece microphone array with noise reduction and echo cancellation so teachers can clearly be heard on class recordings and video calls. Plus, the soundbar was designed to double as a handy pen tray. On the left here, you have an assortment of convenient front-facing I/O ports, including a full-function USB-C port to connect a laptop or tablet. To start your lesson as smoothly as possible, there is an NFC sensor which enables you to log in with a simple tap. You can alternatively log in with your phone by scanning the QR code. Once logged in, you can personalize your workspace to make it your own. Customize your wallpaper, bookmarks, and app shortcuts to easily find your favorite educational resources. All of these settings are saved to your account, so they'll appear even when you log on to a different BenQ board. So you can always pick up where you left off. One of the highlights of the new BenQ boards is that they are now EDLA certified, which means you have access to official core Google apps, as well as apps from the Play Store. With the Play Store, you can install any app from a vast library, allowing you to engage students with more impactful lessons. Plus, all these apps go through Google Play Protect, which safeguards your device against potentially harmful apps. Now, let's look at EasyWrite, our whiteboarding software. EasyWrite is built for education and has all the tools you need before, during, and after class. EasyWrite is software agnostic, meaning that you can use it on Windows, Apple, Android, or in a web browser. This makes it easy to prepare your lesson materials at your desk and then access them later from the BenQ board. What's more, EasyWrite lets you copy and import different types of content directly onto the whiteboard, saving you time on lesson planning. Now let's see what the class flow is like with the BenQ board. For starters, you can access all your lesson plans, presentations, and student work from your cloud storage after linking it to your BenQ account. At the start of the lesson, you can begin by recording the board's audio and video. This allows students to revisit the material and learn at their own pace. While teaching, you have all the tools you need to create and deliver engaging and interactive lessons. EasyWrite has built-in pens and brushes with infinite colors, but also geometry tools such as the ruler, protractor, compass, and triangle. You also have different options for importing content directly onto the page. You can import entire Office files and PDFs or specific pages from those documents. You can also import video and audio files to liven up your lessons. And with EasyWrite being tightly integrated with core Google apps, you can easily add content directly from Chrome to your whiteboard by simply dragging images, links, and text. You can also search for YouTube videos and seamlessly add them to your lessons. And if you want to show physical objects or textbooks on the board, you can use a document camera and display experiments or printed materials. In addition to importing content, you also have a selection of pre-made resources built right into the board. For example, there are several backgrounds and templates designed for specific lesson activities. You can load a graphing background to plot charts and graphs, or sheet music for notation, and much more. To further assist you, we've introduced a suite of AI-powered tools as well. First up is OCR, or optical character recognition, which extracts text from any image on the whiteboard and turns it into editable text that is easy to read and share. We also have the translation tool, which effortlessly translates a word, phrase, or even complete paragraphs into multiple languages with just a few taps. There's also text-to-speech that can read text aloud for better accessibility.
Les motifs de la couche régolithe de Vesta. Cette image prise par la sonde NASA d'eau.
And last but not least, we have handwriting and shape recognition, which makes your handwritten notes and shapes perfectly legible and editable. Now, let's explore the toolbox. Inside, you'll find various tools designed to enhance your teaching experience. One of these tools is Team Post, which allows you to host exciting team activities. It splits the board so students can compete to answer your questions. You can pull up the countdown to time their answers and use the scoreboard to track their points. You can get the whole class involved by using the Cloud Whiteboard. It lets students participate via laptops or tablets, whether they're in class or remote. Assign each team a page on the whiteboard and monitor their work while also providing feedback and even showcasing their work to the class. If you want to go remote or simply invite an online lecturer, the BenQ board is equipped with dedicated camera ports at the top of the display. With our latest camera, you get smart AI features like auto-framing, voice and face tracking, and active noise cancellation. Together, these features ensure outstanding audio and video when streaming or recording classes. When you're done with the lesson, you can save the board and share it with your students for them to review after class. There's another great way to get students involved. You can use the board's InstaShare 2 wireless screen sharing software. Students can wirelessly share up to 9 devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and Chromebooks. With InstaShare, you can take notes over shared content and you get complete control over the session with our intuitive UI. Show or hide a student's screen and even activate the Do Not Disturb mode to prevent disruptions. To ensure a safer classroom experience, InstaShare 2 features an AI content moderator that automatically blocks casting of inappropriate content to the board. Another way to present is by connecting your laptop to the BenQ board with a USB-C cable. This way, you'll have complete control over your laptop screen directly from the board. You can open your files, websites, and use any software on the large interactive touchscreen. And with the handy floating tool, you can take notes over content, record lessons, and take screenshots, which you can then import to EasyWrite. It lets you teach in a way that's both familiar yet efficient. The powerful yet easy to use BenQ boards give you all the tools you need to teach your way. They are an all-in-one educational solution designed to inspire creativity, collaboration, and engagement in the classroom.